Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to fix NVIDIA control panel missing issue. So guys, before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. So our first step is to restart NVIDIA services. So for that you need to enter into the services. So once you enter into your services, please scroll down. And once you scroll down, you may see NVIDIA display container. So please restart it. So after that, please right click and enter into the properties. So over there, please make it as in automatic condition and then click apply and then click OK. Once it's done, please close it, and the second step is to restart NVIDIA control. So for that, you need to enter into your task manager and please check for NVIDIA application is running on the background. Please do end task it. Yeah, and the third step is to use device manager fix. So for that you need to enter into your device manager and then display adapter. Please right click your NVIDIA and update it. Most of the times it will be in update condition. So our first step is to reinstall NVIDIA control panel package. So for that you need to enter into your Windows PowerShell as run as administrator mode, and please copy the prompt in the description and paste it over there and then hit enter, then type exit. So our fifth step is to repair system files. So for that you need to enter into your command prompt as run as administrator mode, and please copy the prompt in the description and paste it over there. So we need to have 5 to 10 minutes to load from 0 to 100. Please have some patience to wait on it. Yeah, once it loaded, please copy the second prompt in the description and paste it over there, and the same you need to wait for 5 to 10 minutes. It need to be load from 0 to 100, and once it loaded, please check the status below whether it's a success or unsuccess. So once it shows success, please exit from command prompt or repeat it again. So our sixth step is to enable GPU. So for that you need to enter into your device manager and enter into your display adapter, right click NVIDIA GeForce and disable the device. So once you disable the device, please restart it, and then again you need to enable the device. Yeah, so once it's done, our last step is to restart the system. So please do restart your system and check whether the issue is solved or not. I hope the issue will be solved. So thank you guys. Thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube.